This is our new waxed canvas roll top bag. It's made from an 8-ounce heavy-duty water repellent waxed canvas, and it works very similar to a lot of dry bags that you might have already encountered. To use, pop it open, unroll, and put your gear inside. And then to close, grab this leather strap and fold down at least 3 times. Fold and press the brass snaps together, and that creates a nice carry handle as well as a strong weatherproof seal on the bags here. This brass tag can be labeled with a permanent marker and wiped clean with alcohol, glass cleaner, or soap and water if you ever need to change the label. And it's a really convenient grab handle to open and access your bag contents. Because they're made from a heavy-duty waxed canvas, the bags will stand up on their own even when they're empty, making it really easy to organize your campsite. And they have a little loop on the top of their leather strap here so you can hang them from a tree branch or another hook to give you easy access to your gear if you need it. Our bags come in 3 different sizes and 5 different colors. Our 2-quart, 4-quart, and 12-quart bags are all available on our website. You can find the one that's right for you there. That's daggerfishgear.com.